So good evening. Gnabry back. Big up to everybody tuning in. Make sure you are smashing the like button up, people. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Route to 100k. We're in phase 3 of the never-ending phase project process, and it's looking kind of good. Make sure you are subbed to Lee Reacts. That is in phase 2 of a 5-phase development plan to get it up to 100k. Sounds good, doesn't it? Make sure you go and check out the video I did earlier today. I dropped that this afternoon about people crying that it's Jose Mourinho's fault that Roma fans are holding a referee accountable for poor decisions. Kind of funny, really, isn't it? But there we go. Now, make sure you check out the video I did earlier as well. We're linked to James Maddison. Obviously, you know I'm a Maddison fanboy. So go and check that video out. I did that earlier today. And this will be the last one today. From tomorrow, I will be getting back to normal, 3 a day. Just had a bit of a busy week, really. But anyway, Serge Gnabry. Let's get Gnabry back. All the hipsters that pretend they watch Bundesliga are all absolutely moist right now. Yes. Oh, my God. He's once a gunner, always a gunner. Oh. Let's read out this quote. In 2019, the forward said, always a gunners. Yeah. And added, it was the hardest decision, but I think it worked out well because I wanted to play. But as a club, Arsenal are top. It's full of top inverted weirdos, mate. I'll give you that for nothing. But we ain't signing Serge Gnabry, so let's nip that one in the bud real quick. He is actually down on transfer market for winning 2 FA Cups with Arsenal. Did he actually play in any of these FA Cups? In 2014, 2015, did he play in these cups? Don't know. Transfer market do have a habit of making stuff up. They've said that Odegaard's won the Champions League twice when he hasn't. But anyway, let's have a look at some of his honours. Champions League winner with Bayern. 5 times Bundesliga winner with Bayern. FIFA Club World Cup winner with Bayern. He's won an Olympic Games. UEFA Super Cup winner with Bayern. German Cup winner twice with Bayern. 4 times German Super Cup winner with Bayern. Oh, he's won 2 Community Shields with Arsenal, apparently. And 1 European under-21. We ain't even counting that crap. So, yeah, quite a lot of trophies there. I think the key factor in this is Bayern. They literally win everything every year. And, yeah, as good as Serge Gnabry is, and he's had a good season as well, to be fair. I think he's bagged 14, 15 goals this season. In fact, we're going to have a look. 14 or 15 goals this season. So, let's have a look at his output. For all you calculator mob out there, 14 goals, 5 assists, which is exactly the same as last season. Funny that, because he played exactly the same amount of games. How random. 14 goals, 5 assists. The season before, 27 games, 10 goals, 2 assists. 19-20 season, 31 games, 12 and 10. Listen, his output in Germany is very good, but that league is not great, and Bayern Munich are light years clear of most of them. So I'd expect him to have output in that league. Is he good enough to play in the Premier League? Definitely. Is he good enough to play for Arsenal? Definitely. Would I take him at Arsenal? Definitely. But are we signing him? Definitely not. This is just another hype one to get everyone gassed and get everyone all excited. Oh my God. Yes, we're going to sign Gnabry back. It's an emotional one. It's a feelings. It's a vibe. Yeah. Everyone loves the comeback story, don't they? Oh my God, Serge Gnabry's coming back. No, he's not. He's not coming back. Serge Gnabry will probably start Bayern Munich. So I don't know why this story's even doing the rounds. Maybe he's out of contract soon. Should we have a look? Let's have a look. I bet he's out of contract soon. Let's have a butcher's. Let's have a little butcher's hook. Here we go. Oh no, his contract's until 2026. Wow, there you go. That's shocking, surprising. So who's put the story out there then? Because maybe it's Arsenal that put the story out there to get everyone hyped. Oh my God, look, Arsenal links to such big names like Caicedo, Declan Rice, Serge Gnabry. Oh my God, Stan's just made 2 billion. Oh my days, we're going to have a bumper window. And then ultimately, all the spin doctors will be out there. Yeah, they'll all be putting it out. Everyone will be like, oh my God, yes, a big summer window coming. And ultimately, when we sign Reece Nelson up to a new deal and don't sign Serge Gnabry, they'll all spin it back the other way. Oh, yeah, but, we couldn't afford Serge Gnabry because we've got other options that we wanted to take care of. We can't just go out and do 300 million. We're not Chelsea. Do you know what I mean? This is the crap that we're going to hear all summer. Yeah, and I'm here for it. I'm here for all of their excuses. I'm here for every single bit of it, because we are not going to do what's required again in the summer window. If we was, we would have already signed Declan Rice. We would have already signed Caicedo. We've kept good relations with Brighton, so why haven't we signed Caicedo yet? No, we've got good relations with Brighton. We kept good relationships with Brighton. So why is Caicedo not signed already then? This makes no sense. Yeah, because it's all a load of garbage. All the PR that comes out. Yeah, all of these stories. Now, and most people are getting their information from people that are not journalists. They're just puppets. I'll give an example. Yeah, that knob who runs the Gooner Talk channel. Are you telling me he's a journalist? Is he actually? Does he have sources at the football club? No, he don't. Yeah, it's just a pompous, condescending prick. Yeah, who thinks he's special. Special. I'm special. My mum says I'm special. Yeah, knobs, all of them. And this is where people are getting their sources and their information from, is these kinds of people, which is why I'm here to rip them all apart. Yeah, because they know next to nothing about anything that's going on in the football club. Yeah, they make up a story. They see something that somebody puts online and think, oh, yeah, Maddison's gone down. Oh, yeah, we'll get Maddison. I think that's actually maybe a little bit of truth in the fact that we're in for Maddison. But I'd say he's way down the pecking order. Yeah, we need DMs and box-to-box midfielders rather than another floating number 10. So he'll be down the pecking order. Obviously, it'd be a signing. If we don't get what's required, we could go and get, and that'll please everybody. Oh, now we've got another midfielder that scores goals. So everyone will get hyped and gassed. We could literally sign nobody, and this lot will spin it and make out through their stupid news articles that, well, you know, it was a tough market. It was a tough market. It was a challenging window, a very challenging window. And they use big posh words and big phrases, you know, and start talking in gobbledygook. Yeah, the fact of reality is we should have already signed some players. Yeah, the transfer window officially opens in 12 days. That ain't stopping other teams signing players, though, is it? Bayern Munich are signing players, and they've just won a league title. How are they signing players? Why would they sign players? Why would they sign players? They've just won the title, and Borussia Dortmund are getting rid of Jude Bellingham, so they're instantly worse already. So they're going to win it again next season, aren't they? So why do they need to sign players? Oh, you mean they're actually got an elite mentality and they actually want to get better so they can compete in Europe next season? Okay, cool. Meanwhile, Edu's probably sucking his daughter's toes again, the weirdo. Yeah, it makes no sense. Yeah, this football club is a disgrace at times. Yeah, and the fact that we're linked to all of these players, keep a note on this, because obviously I've got the videos of each individual player that we're linked to. Yeah, and I'm going to keep an eye on this. Every single day we're linked to a different player, and then work out at the end. I'm going to work out at the end of the transfer window how many players we were linked to and how many we actually signed. And I'm supposed to believe that these journalists can be seen as credible sources. No, they can't. They've literally got a success rate on transfers of 0.01. I don't know why anyone believes the crap they say. Yeah, it's just a load of garbage. We're not signing Serge Gnabry. No way in a million years. Because number one, he's still 3 years left in his contract, which is cool. But that means he's going to go for at least 60 million quid. At least 60 million quid. Are we going to go and do 60 on him when we've got Saka, Martinelli? We're not, are we? We're going to go and sign Reece Nelson up because he's cheap. Because it'll save the club money. It'll save Stan Kroenke money. We'll sign him up for 50, 60, 70 grand a week. We don't have to pay a fee for him. He's already come through the academy. And it'll save us to 60 million. And Serge Gnabry will probably command over 200 grand a week. Whereas Reece Nelson will be happy with 70, 80 grand a week, 60 grand a week. And he'll save the 60 million plus the difference in wages. And people want to tell me that this club's a serious outfit. No, it ain't. If it is, we'd go and sign Gnabry. We'd go and sign Rice. We'd go and sign Maddison and Caicedo. We'd go and get a centre half. Yeah, do you know what I'm saying? We'd go and get another right back. But they won't. We should be going out there doing 350 in the summer. But we won't. Yeah, people telling me, oh, yeah, but Lee, if we give Saliba 250 grand a week, where do we go from here in 4 years' time? What fucking idiots put that out there? I bet it was that div on the Superfan channel. Yeah, I guarantee it was one of them divs on that channel. Yeah, if we give this 21-year-old William Saliba 250 grand a week, where does that leave Arsenal to negotiate in 4 years' time? Why are you so caring about the money of the football club? It's not your money, it's Stan Kroenke's. He owns the club. Makes no sense. Makes no sense. But anyway, it is what it is. All have a blessed day. This is me done for the day. And yeah, I'm going out to get some sunshine, some lovely food, some good company, and have a few drinks. Have a wonderful day. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts. Make sure you check out the video previously on the channel, and I will be back again tomorrow with 3 uploads, not 2. Adios, amigos. Ciao.